All right, so I'm going to help you with day 5 math. So we're going to start off with some fact practice. So 6 times 4, 24, 7 times 7, 49, 10 times 10, 100, 9 times 3, 27. All right, so I want you to do the rest of those. But really what I want to help you with is these tricky problems down here. So it says, can you find the volume of these shapes? Does the formula for volume work here? What are some strategies you could use instead? Try to think of 2 ways. Well, the formula for finding volume is either base times height or length times width times height, which is the same thing because the base is length times width. So I just like to remember length times width times height as volume, the formula for volume. So let's look at A because they gave us the answer, 72 cubic units. Now, we can't use the formula because right now I'm seeing multiple different heights. Like here's a height of 2 and here is a height of 5, and multiple different bases and lengths. So that's not going to work. So we know we can't use the formula, but what could we do instead? So one option, like before, is to just count all the squares, but that will take a while. As you can see, there's 72 in here. So I'm trying to think of another way we can find the volume. And the way that comes to my eye is to split this shape up into some regular shapes. So I see one rectangle on top, another rectangle in the middle, and another rectangle on the bottom. So if we split those up as 3 different rectangles, we can find the volume for each of those and then add them all together. So the volume for this top rectangle up here is length, which is 4, times width, which is 2, times height, which is 1. So 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. So I know this top rectangle is 8. And now right here we have a length of 4 times a width of 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. So the base is 24 times the height of 2. 24 times 2 is 48. So we have 8 on top, 48 in the middle, and the bottom we have a length of 4, a width of 2, and a height of 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So if we add up 48 plus 16 plus 8, we should get 72. So those are 2 ways that you can find the volume for these irregular shapes. So you can either count up all the squares or all the cubes, I should say, or you can split them up into shapes that only have one base, one width, and one length, one width, and one height. All right, let's do one more. Let's count up B. So let's just count up all the cubes because this one's pretty, there's not that many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now this shape is exactly the same as this one. So if there's 15 over here, then there's 15 over here, and that's 30, plus these middle 3, so 31, 32, 33. That's it. All right, good luck.